Hi, my name is Conray Labuschagne. I have been investing in properties for many years, to the point where for the last 15 or so years I've been teaching other students how to do exactly the same property models as I do. My question to you is, have you ever considered and have you sat down and had a careful look what your life would have been like if you were to have a property portfolio that not only allow you to financial freedom but actually can take over your income, where the property rentals that are coming in and month out are adequate to pay for your desired lifestyle? Well, the good news is I've got several students. In fact, in every country, I can think of at least about 10 or so students in every single country where I teach this, which are absolute role models, where it's gone from zero properties, not even our own home where they live in anything between a period of 24 to 36 months, and now sitting with a property portfolio ranging anything between 3 to 10 properties that is producing them a continuous month in and month out passive income without them having to work for it. I can think of many students that were down and out financially, and today, thank you to the properties portfolios that they've built, who's now lost their jobs, they've been retrenched, but they can afford to carry on and they can afford to sustain lifestyle even if they don't replace that income, because the property portfolio allows them to do so. So here's my question to you. If you were to lose your primary source of income, can you afford, have you got a system that will allow you to carry on living the lifestyle that you're accustomed to, even if you lose your income? I'm coming to a city very near to you where I'm intending to spend and talk a lot more about property and how easy it is to get into, like several of my other students all around the world has done. And I'm sincerely hoping to see you at one of those events and we can discuss it further. Looking forward to seeing you real soon.